Hey, what's going on everybody? It's COZOO here from PremierReviewer, and today we're going to be looking at something that I just picked up pretty much today. Well, got here today at least. We're going to do a quick unboxing and take a look, see the functionality, and see how it works. So what is it? I believe it's COZOO. It's a cool little headphone hanger. And once I saw it, I knew I had to get it because it's pretty much a similar setup that I already have, but I think that this offers a little bit more functionality. So here we go. So looks like you get some locking mechanisms for this. So if you don't know what this is, this actually would go this way, and it's a headphone stand. It's something you put under your desk. You got the 3M tape here, and the cool thing about it is you get some charging ports. So I think it's really awesome that they even make something like this, and I know once I saw it I had to pick it up. So let's just put this together real quick and then see how it looks, and I'll give you my overall thoughts. So if you guys see my setup over here, I have something similar. This is really not meant for headphones, but I use it for headphones. It's meant for putting your DSLRs. I think it's like a Petco clamp, that's what it's called. Griffin Hammond always talks about these things, and finally decided to pick one up a couple years ago. And honestly, it's been awesome. And as you see, so I have my headphones there, but I also have like a little charging dock here. That's where I have a lot of wires coming through. Not the prettiest solution, but nonetheless, it looks good. Cool thing about what I have now is this becomes this and that for me. That's pretty simple. This looks a lot better than having that other one there. So all I have to do is connect this to a power strip, and we'll be good to go. But there you go. That's how simple it is, and it looks so much better, a little cleaner. I like it. And now I can use two headphones if I really need to. So that wraps up this video. If you think it's worth your money, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. No more to say. Fantastic little product. Glad I have it for my setup. Feels super everyone. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and see you around.